Hello, future doctors. Welcome back to NEET Master Series, your one-stop channel for mastering NEET preparation. And today we are diving into one of the most important chapters for your NEET exam, that is human health and disease. In this session, we will tackle some tricky questions that often appear in the exam. So get your notebooks ready and let's put your knowledge to the test. And hey, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more topic-wise practice session and tips to boost your NEET score. So let's get started. Our very first question is Salmonella is related with typhoid, polio, TB, tetanus. Answer will be A, that is typhoid, because tetanus is caused by Clostridium tetani, tuberculosis is caused by Mycobacterium tuberculosis, and polio is caused by virus. While Salmonella typhi causes typhoid fever, the incubation period is about 2 weeks. The patient first suffers from high fever of 40 degrees Celsius and continual headache. Our second question is diphtheria is caused by A. Poisons released from dead bacterial cells into the host tissue. B. Poisons released by virus into host tissues. C. Poisons released by living bacterial cells into host tissues. And D. The excessive immune response by host tissues. Our answer will be C, that is poison released by living bacteria into the host tissue. Come to third question. Take the odd one out. First, rabies, influenza, AIDS, amoebiasis, giardiasis, trypanosomiasis. C. Tetaniasis, ascariasis, elephantiasis. D. Cancer, tuberculosis, and tetanus. Answer will be D, that is cancer, tuberculosis, tetanus, because rabies, influenza, and AIDS are viral diseases. These are viral diseases. And these are amoebiasis, ascariasis, trypanosomiasis are caused by protozoa, and tetanus, ascariasis, elephantiasis are disease caused by helminthus. But cancer, tuberculosis, and tetanus are not related disease. Tuberculosis and tetanus are bacterial diseases, while cancer not. These are bacterial diseases. I hope this is clear. Come to fourth question. Which of the following is a sexually transmitted diseases? A. Q fever, leprosy, whooping cough, gonorrhea. Answer will be D, that is gonorrhea, a common sexually transmitted disease most often affecting the geni genitourinary tract and occasionally the pharynx, conjunctiva, and rectum. Question 5. Encephalitis in man is a viral disease and is transmitted by. Answer will be B, that is Culex. Come to sixth question. Aedes aegypti is a vector of both dengue and yellow fever, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis. Answer will be A, both dengue and yellow fever. Come to question number 7, that is vaccines are A, treated bacteria or virus or one of their proteins. That B is, this one is B and this one is C. Okay. Curative medicines, MHC, that is major histocompatibility complex proteins, and D is monoclonal antibodies. Our answer will be A, that is treated bacteria or virus or one of their protein. Well, vaccine contains dead and attenuated form or antigen of a pathogen, which can be injected to provide immunity towards pathogen. Monoclonal antibodies are homogeneous immunological reagents of defined specificity, so that These can be utilized for diagnosis and screening with certainty. Come to question number 8, that is the cell in the human body invaded by human immunodeficiency virus is A. T helper cells, B. Erythrocytes, C. B cell, D. Macrophages. Answer will be A, that is T helper cell. AIDS is characterized by reduction in the number of helper T lymphocytes because of HIV infection. It suppresses human immune system due to which any secondary infection may lead to death. T lymphocytes are main cells of immune cells. Come to question number 9. For which of the following disease there is preventive vaccine? AIDS, hepatitis B, syphilis, gonorrhea. Answer will be B, that is hepatitis B. Which one of the following is correct match? Answer will be A, that is reserpine tranquilizer, because morphine is an opiatic narcotic, bhang is a hallucinogen, and reserpine derived from Rauwolfia is used for tranquilizer. Cocaine is a stimulant. Okay, let me write here. This is a stimulant. Morphine is opiate narcotic, and bhang is hallucinogenic. Come to question number 11. Short-lived immunity acquired from mother to fetus across placenta or through mother's milk to the infant is characterized as innate non-specific immunity, active immunity, passive immunity, cellular immunity. Answer will be C, that is passive immunity. Question number 12, that is, what is true about T lymphocytes in mammals? A. These are produced in thyroid. B. There are three main types: cytotoxic T cell, helper T cell, and suppressor T cell. C. These originate in lymphoid tissue. D. They scavenge damaged cells and cellular debris. Our answer will be C, that is, these originate in lymphoid tissue. Because the lymphocytes which differentiate in the thymus are known as T lymphocytes. T lymphocytes are responsible for the cellular immune response. Question number 13. ELISA is used to detect viruses where A. DNA probes are required. This will be B and this will be C. DNA probes are required. Alkaline phosphatase is the key reagent. C. Southern blotting is done. D. Catalase is the key reagent. Answer will be Our answer will be C, that is southern blotting is done. Because ELISA test is a technique used to detect and quantitate extremely small amount of a protein, antibody, or antigen with the help of an enzyme. The commonly used enzymes are peroxidase and alkaline phosphatase. Southern blotting and DNA probes are used in molecular analysis of DNA. Catalase is not involved in the ELISA. Okay? No. Our answer will be this one. B. Answer will be this. I'm so sorry. Our answer will be B. Okay? Because alkaline phosphatase and peroxidase are the commonly used enzyme. Peroxidase and alkaline phosphatase are commonly used enzyme. Okay. Come to question number 14. That is, AIDS is caused by HIV that principally infects A. All lymphocytes, activated B cells, cytotoxic T cells, T4 lymphocytes. Answer will be D, that is T4 lymphocytes, because AIDS virus infects T4 lymphocytes, also called helper cells, while cytotoxic T cells called T8 lymphocytes. Okay. Come to question number 15, that is active immunity. Active immunity is borrowed from an active disease case, developed in direct response to a disease agent, the product of borrowed antibodies, and passive immunity that is activated. Our answer will be B, that is developed in direct response to a disease agent. The individual, the individual is actively involved in the production of antibodies. Okay. Next question, 16, that is transfusing a person with blood plasma proteins from a person or animal that has been actively immunized against a specific antigen provides active immunity, passive immunity, autoimmunity, anti-immunity. Answer will be B, that is passive immunity. Passive immunity is conferred by the transfer of antibodies from one individual to another. Next is question number 17. B lymphocytes are primarily involved in humoral immunity, autoimmune disorders, graft rejection, cell-mediated immunity. Our answer will be A, that is humoral immunity. B lymphocytes are involved in humoral immunity by producing antibodies. Okay, come to question 18. Okay, so I have a little challenge for you to keep the momentum going. Here are three questions, question number 18, 19, and 20, and I want you to solve them and drop your answer in the comment below, and I'll be featuring the top correct response in our next video. Okay, so thank you so much, guys, and that's wrap up today's practice session. And you all did fantastic solving these MCQs on human health and disease. Remember, each questions you tackle brings you one step closer to your dream medical college. If you found this session helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Let's keep the learning journey strong together. Okay, so these are the questions. You can take a screenshot, and that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Bye.